Hi guys, this is the Java series part 69. Now let's discuss about the runtime class and ProcessBuilder class. Okay, using runtime class now we will play the music. Let's see this example. Here I have created the package. Package name is model1. Okay, and I have imported the runtime inbuilt class which is present inside the java.language package. Okay, so we know already java.language package is the default package. So there is no need to explicitly write like this. Okay, and I have created the class runCLS. Inside this class I have created the main method. Here I have used the throws keyword. We know already about the throws keyword. The throws keyword is used in a method signature and declares which exceptions can be thrown from a method. Here I have created the object for runtime class and getRuntime. This method is used to return the runtime object. Okay, and here I have created the array variable yes. Its data type is string. The size of the array is only 2. That is 0th index and first index. Inside the 0th index, I gave the path of the application or software. Okay, inside this path only I have the VLC software. That's why I have given here this path. Okay, so you give your own path. Okay, and inside the first index I store the path of the audio file. Okay, inside this path I have this audio file. So you give your audio file path. And here I have used the execute method that is present inside the runtime class. That's why I have used the object for this runtime class. Okay, so inside the yes we have two parameters, isn't it? 0th index we have the application path and the first index we have the audio file path, isn't it? So now with the help of this runtime inbuilt class I try to play the music. That is, this is my audio file path. Okay, let me execute this one. Okay, I hope you are understood about the runtime inbuilt class. Next, see this example. Here I have used the package model1 and here I have imported the inbuilt exception class IO exception that is present inside the java.io package and the ProcessBuilder. This is present inside the java.language package. Okay, and this is my class ProcessCLS, and inside this class I have created the main method. Here I have used the throws keyword. So now only we have discussed throws keyword is used in a method signature and declares which exceptions can be thrown from a method, isn't it? And here I have created two variables, soft and video. Okay, both are string data type. Here I have given the path of the software. Okay, VLC.exe is present in my system. Inside this path only, that's why I have given. So you give your own path. Okay, and this is my video file. Okay, this is present in my system inside this path only. So I have given. So you give your one path. Okay, and I have created the object for ProcessBuilder. This is present inside the java.language package. Okay, and here this is the parameterized constructor for this class. Okay, here I have passed two attributes. Soft. Inside the soft we have the software path, and inside the video we have the video file path. Okay, and here I have used the start inbuilt method. This method is present inside the ProcessBuilder. That's why I have used the builder object. Okay, because this is the object for ProcessBuilder. Okay, so this start method is used to start the process. Okay, I hope you all understood about the ProcessBuilder inbuilt class. So using this class, now I play the video file. Okay, let me execute this one. Okay, so now we have completed the runtime inbuilt class and ProcessBuilder inbuilt class. Okay, both are present inside the java.language default package. Okay, and using these classes, now we have played the audio and video files. Okay, we have completed this session. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. If this video is useful to you, like and share. For more videos, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, then only you will get the notification for my new updates. Have a nice day. Thank you.